Welcome to Toronto.
Hi.
Here you go.
Welcome to Toronto Business Academy. Welcome to Toronto, the greatest city in the world.
So over the next 3 weeks, we're going to learn 4 major areas or 4 divisions of work. The first one is, where do I come up with my business idea? After we've done that, writing a business plan for that idea that has passed through the business model canvas. Okay, we've got our business plan, but we need that funding. Let's do the pitch. We're going to teach you how to give a pitch in 8 minutes to get your idea across to the lenders, to the investors, and get them excited enough that they'll want to meet with you again to explore the idea further and take it to the next step.
So we are here at Ryerson University, where we take all the lectures in ABC Business School in Toronto. We have 2 different classes with 2 different teachers. So today we are talking about the business model, all the parts of the business model, for know if our ideas are great. We take the canvas, which is a type of business model where all the things about the company are inside, and we will see if our ideas are great. Here it is my colleague Scott.
Hey.
He's the mentor, one of the mentors of the ABC Business Academy in Toronto, and also good teachers that are showing to know and improve how our ideas could be greater.
Maybe to add on, so the students yesterday divided into groups, so they're currently working like groups of 5 to 6 persons on one ID. Alex was chosen as one of the IDs that is going to be pursued. So I'm really looking forward to what the upcoming 2.5 weeks will bring, and looking forward to its final pitch. So after the lecture, it was time to explore the city. We also are still fresh, so we need to meet each other. So yeah, Max, can you tell me where we are?
Yeah, man. So now we're in the distillery district, and we're ready to just grab a beer and have fun. Let's go.
We're gonna do a scavenger hunt today. That's you have tasks that you have to complete and who does it the best. And first gets a prize, that's a t-shirt.
Make a team of between 4 to 6 people. And then once we've made teams, I'm gonna give you out your sheet. And basically you've got 10 questions to do. First one back to 13th floor is gonna be the winner, and you're all gonna get a t-shirt in your team.
We are going to Toronto side because we want to win the competition.
The flags are done. 4 left. Let's go, boys.
So we're at the VR AR event right here on King Street, and we're taking our participants to see and to do some night networking. Scott, tell me more about it.
Yeah, so there will be some few pictures, businesses explaining how they're currently using AR and VR in their own business. And after that we will have a panel discussion where we have to the time to ask our questions.
We're really excited. We've got an amazing lineup of speakers tonight. We've got some prizes to give away. Let's get started.
Hi guys, my name is Boris. I just met Hamza with my team. We are working on building this app where we can meet contractors and consumers of some home renovation jobs. And basically, it was really nice meeting with him because he helped us understand the marketing strategy and how we can make the connection to bring consumers to our platform and also bring businesses to it. So I really appreciated him and his job, and I look forward to meeting with him.
My name is Hamza. I had the distinct pleasure of sitting down with a bunch of really, really talented and brilliant young student entrepreneurs as part of the ABC Business Academy mentoring session. I think this is the first of 2 mentoring sessions, and I'm telling you right now, I was blown away by the quality of the ideas, the passion behind the ideas, and I can't wait to see what happens next. I'm very, very excited. Good luck to all the teams. You got this.
Saturday and we're here at Niagara Falls with the group and we're about to go explore.
So, this is downtown Niagara. It looks like Vegas. It's crazy.
Niagara Falls was a lot of fun. We got the participants to just chill down, catch their breath, get ready for the next week. And now we're here, Soho Innovation Labs, and we're setting up this event for tonight. The participants are going to get to know more about youth entrepreneurship, what it means to be a young entrepreneur, and how you can really punch through in this world. We're also going to be talking about 3 of the biggest guest speakers that we have are going to be sharing their insights as well with our participants. We're getting ready here. I hope you're excited as I am.
Welcome everyone. Today it's another day and another visit for ABC Business Academy. Right now we will head in to wonderful Toronto Stock Exchange where we will see what kind of companies they are working with, and afterwards we will head up to Bank of Montreal where we will see why Canadian economy is such a great place to be in and why Toronto real estate market is booming.
This is where we open the market every morning at 9:30 a.m. We invite IPO companies to come in. We have a little reception for them. And then this is what they stand behind to open the market. We have a countdown.
Hi, I'm Timmy.
Hey, I'm Gabriel from Brazil. We are here after a financial mentoring in the student centers here in Toronto.
We just had a mentoring session with Alex Duma and he gave us precious advice on how to do finances and how to make new content.
Our pitch presentation is coming and we need to get prepared. We met people from all over the world and we are putting all our ideas together for the good presentation tomorrow.
Getting different perspectives, different ideas, and like joining them in one big melting pot of ideas, creating something special, something entrepreneurial, something unique.
See you guys tomorrow in our final pitch presentation. Thanks a lot for the ABC teams that helped us a lot during this journey. See you guys.
So we are in the Blue Jays Stadium to see one of the matches of the baseball team. Yeah, it's my first time in a baseball match. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fun.
Hey guys, so today is the day. We're actually here in the final pitch competition. 6 teams made it to this point. We're fortunate to be one of those teams, and it's been tough. We've been through 3 rough weeks, making corporate visits, having advice from mentors, actually having advice in finances, marketing. All that has been building up to this moment, and we're really excited. We're gonna give it all out, and we're gonna bring this home.
It's been a pleasure to teach this group of folks here. You've had a very exciting time while you've been here. not an easy decision to pick the top 3 that were there. Ready to announce that the champion of 2019 Toronto Business Academy is Cost.
It's only been 3 weeks, but I've made so many great friends here. I would consider some of them my best friends.
The one thing I really will remember from here is that actually everything is possible, and that if you want to try something, you can actually do it. And if it fails, you have to fail fast. So failing is not a bad thing. So you just keep on going and do something else then.
I would definitely recommend the program to every single person out there, whether he has his own business idea already or he just trying to still find himself.
Always remember to have fun. Nothing comes easy, because you'll find that the harder you work, the more you get. And anybody that says that they don't work hard is not true. Expect to work hard, but make sure you have fun while doing it.